equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a soft microfiber cloth, and thermal paste if you're planning to reapply it. Start by powering down your HP15FQ and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for safety. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, take a moment to inspect the fans and vents. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, so using the can of compressed air, gently blow out any dust from the fans and vents. Be cautious not to spin the fans too quickly, as this can cause damage. If you find the dust is stubborn, you might want to use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the surfaces gently. If you're comfortable, you can also check the thermal paste on the CPU. If it looks dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. Clean the old paste off with isopropyl alcohol and apply a small amount of new thermal paste before reassembling. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Once you've completed the cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. Make sure all screws are tightened but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. After reassembly, reconnect the battery if you removed it and power on your laptop. Check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. For ongoing maintenance, consider scheduling regular cleanings every 6 months to prevent dust buildup. If you prefer not to do this yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to keep your device in top shape without the hassle of travel. In summary, maintaining your HP15FQ is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. Regular cleaning and checks can significantly extend the life of your laptop, ensuring it runs efficiently for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.